Hey guys, it's me, Deathbug here, coming to you with a very special and new member of our new team, Terminator Block, and I'm with a pretty new block, Killer Block,
Oh, what the heck? That's no fair.
and we're all playing.
That was the intro. You suck. That was.
And we're playing on the map Dragon.
Gosh.
Bye bye.
I'm literally getting like double teams or something.
Green is the worst sheep.
I think we all know that. No, you know which one's the most overpowered sheep?
White.
No.
White.
White.
Bye.
Yeah.
I have the worst one again. Blue.
Yeah, get killed by the. No, I used my anvil while I was falling to my death.
Hey, Kevin, look behind you. Yeah.
I'm gonna do a double kill.
Double kill?
That saved me. That fall has saved me so many times. Get away, Dimitri. Oh wait, you have 2 lives. I need to get people to 2 lives.
Oh my gosh, no, he's gonna do that strategy. No, I fell. Wait, after this.
Really, Dimitri?
Oh my gosh.
Darn it, I would have survived. Good job, you died. And now I need to get everyone to 1 life. Dimitri, you're next. Or I could kill you, Kevin.
Percy's really weak.
No.
Percy's really weak.
Really? He's killed by Dimitri. How did Dimitri kill me? And I think he just came in for the last hit. Kevin set me on fire, Jay. He wants, and then probably he.
No, I did most of the damage, and Kevin just came in and hit you once.
Bye.
But, no, never mind.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Okay, from our new